swag, bitch.
Hey guys, just driving home to the where I have the Z. I'm bringing the kid with me. Hopefully I can do some pictures with the turbo on. The engine bay of the Z might look pretty cool on YouTube. Just warming up the car. Hopefully should be able to fix this today. It's been bothering me for a while. I don't know what happened here. I don't know if I touched it with anything that started eating off the paint. But my dad was able to find the paint in his workshop that I bought before. So I'm gonna see if I can just cover this whole area and just spray it there. Started raining for a bit when I was taking out the car, so I'm going to wipe it down real quick. But she's still pretty clean. Hey guys, that's it. The C is officially boosted. There's where the turbo sits. Have to cut open a hole in the hood so it can fit. But other than that, we're ready to be gapping V8s. So going to be fixing that and have to start thinking how I'm going to do my gauge setup. I already have someone, same person I'm probably gonna buy the injectors from. He has some gauges that he's gonna sell me. I have to think if I'm gonna do like a 3 gauge pot here, or if I'm gonna do what a lot of people do and just replace these gauges with those. But I haven't decided yet. It depends on how many I'm going to need. I already have the AFR, so I think I only need the boost gauge and water temp gauge. I think I should be good, since this one already does the oil pressure, and well, water doesn't really matter. Maybe oil temperature too, but we'll see when the time gets. Another update, guys. I found my GoPro. I forgot that I left it on the Z, so I'm going to charge it and see if I can get some POV videos. Here's the turbo kit. Took everything out of the boxes, and I was cleaning the oil pan spacer yesterday. But yeah, everything seems to be pretty good conditions. I was talking to the guy yesterday. He said that Soho never sent him the crash bar, so I'm probably not gonna be running the crash bar, but that's not a big deal. If anything, I can buy one later on. And the other thing is a bracket for something I forgot, but it's not also not a huge thing that will set me back in installing the kit. I have the box over there. Excuse this room. This used to be my old room when I used to live with my parents. Now it's pretty much just my storage for car parts. So yeah, this is not my room. This is just my car part storage for now. But yeah, really happy. I'm going to charge the GoPro right now, and then do some POV videos of the car. Hopefully I'll fix the thing on the interior that I was showing you guys before I do that, because that's really bothering me. Let me show you guys the little setup that I have going on here to spray paint this little area here. I know that I should probably just take everything off, but it's kind of a pain and I don't want to break anything. It's here super fragile every time you take it off. Every time you take it off, pretty much you are bound to break something. So just gonna give it a quick little spray there, and I think we should be good. Hopefully nothing else gets painted. I'm gonna be seeing the seat, so the seat's pretty much gonna be covered, and everything else around is covered. Even if that gets spray painted, it's fine because it's the same paint. And this is the one that I'm gonna be using. We she's the same one that I had used previously to paint it already. So I don't know why that little area, the paint started coming off. Decided to add it back there just to protect that seat. Everything now it should be set to start. Actually, I'm gonna clean it first with some alcohol and then I'm going to spray it. Probably only going to do 2 coats, maybe even 1. So I don't wanna spray too much paint here. Then this thing's gonna start smelling like paint for a long time. So yeah. Hey guys, so it got kind of late, but let me show you how I ended up looking. Didn't really like how it looks, but I'll fix it in the future. So as you can see, I don't know why it like balled up here or something, but yeah, I don't really like how it looks, but I'll fix it in the future. It's just a temporary fix. But yeah, I'm going to put the car back to where I normally park it, and see you guys on the next video.